Y'all, look at what the Lord has done. Period. We got PR. I don't think you understand. I was getting PR and I was not a good steward of the PR. So I prayed and I said, Holy Spirit, if you allow me to get PR again, I will do videos with the stuff that you are giving me. Lord, like, please. Not even a month later, God opened the door for me to receive PR again. Good molecules, what's up? God bless you. Let's see what we got, okay? I'm too excited not to have company and open this up on camera because, baby, what? I don't even want to touch it. I just want to touch it. I want to feel it with my own hands because the Lord has blessed me. The Lord is blessing me. Oh, right now. Look at it. What? Is that cherry blossoms? That is so pretty. Love that. Okay. Never tested on animals. Love that too. Look at what we got. Oh, I'm dropping some. Recently, I've been on my skincare journey, so this is right on time. Listen, that's why you have to trust God's timing. I'm trying to calm down. It says, season of smooth skin. Do you struggle with dry, dull, or dehydrated skin? Any of these can make your skin look tired and textured. Fine lines tend to show up more too. Ain't that the truth? Now, I don't know how to say this, but y'all excuse me. It says it's a Sakura plant. Isn't that beautiful? It says that's why we made the Sakura Hyaluronic Boosting Essence. Is formulated with 3 kinds of hyaluronic acid to help your skin feel soft and looking fresh. The Sakura flower and sake yeast work together to smooth skin and help it look firmer over time. We also included zinc, PCA, and natural sugar complexes. These help your skin retain moisture without feeling greasy. Make it the first step after cleansing morning and night to reveal smoother, firmer, and deeply hydrated skin. The Sakura Hyaluronic Acid Boosting Essence is $14, period, so it's affordable, and available online or at your local Ulta. Let me know how your skin loves this new hydrating essence. The Lord, oh my soul. Hold on, let me see how to say it, girl. Hold on. It is pronounced
Sakura.
Sakura. I was saying Sakura. The Sakura. It even has directions on how to layer it on the back. How efficient is that? It says cleanse. Because one of the things I struggle with skincare is knowing what goes where. So this right here is so tea because it literally tells you how to layer it into your pre-existing routine. It is a cherry blossom. See, that's what I recognize it as, a cherry blossom, period. I never knew it was called the, let me not mess it up again. What is it called?
Sakura.
Yeah, that. So the Sakura Hyaluronic Acid Boosting Essence, it looks like this. I cannot wait to try this. Obviously, I have on makeup, so I'm gonna have to try this once I'm ready to do my skincare. But this packaging is so efficient. It's gonna fit right into my little toiletry or my little skincare bag that I bring to and fro from the restroom. It doesn't really smell like anything. Let's see. So this is how it looks, first impression. It is water based. The first ingredient is water, and we love that so much. So this is gonna be very lightweight on the skin. Look at how that dried down, and the sheen that it's given off is very lightweight, and my skin feels soft right where I placed it. I can't wait to try this on my face and implement it in my skincare routine and tell you all of my thoughts. Thank you again, Good Molecule, for reaching out to your girl and sending me this. I can't wait to try it, and I will see you all in my next video. Don't forget to ask God for what you want because he's gonna show up, okay?